contribute to stupidity. Just feathers.
It must have got in there during the pillow fight.
Everything is okay then. We can all go home.